Hi, I'm Jim Rudolph. You know, looking at this old antique Purple Heart reminds me Memorial Day is coming. One of the things that really saddens me is when I see social media posts or advertisements for funeral directors that don't know, have never been trained how to properly serve veterans' families. And they'll post something on their Facebook page and they'll say, Schmidt and Schmuck Funeral Home wishes you and your family a happy Memorial Day. Well, if you're a Gold Star family and you've lost a son or a daughter in Iraq or Afghanistan or Vietnam, Memorial Day is not a happy day. The only message for Memorial Day for a funeral home that knows is we remember. And I really hope that you will consider coming to our all-day training day to learn how to engage veterans and learn how to market to veterans' families and learn how to speak their language so that these kinds of mistakes aren't made. So this Memorial Day, make sure that you and your staff go to your national cemetery, go to the Memorial Day service, and then you can go out and enjoy hot dogs and a picnic on the beach with your family. But don't make the mistake of posting Happy Memorial Day. It's not a happy day for everyone. Look forward to seeing you at the training.